Teachers, let's be real. When people talk about side hustles for teachers, they say the same things. Do extra lessons, teach online, but you and I know that those spaces are overcrowded. Some platforms don't even accept teachers from some parts of the world like Africa, and sometimes the pay is so low. It is absolutely insulting. Yes, I know what I'm talking about. So let me show you side hustles that actually work if you package them differently. Meanwhile, share, subscribe, and like this video. Number one, specialized tutoring, not general tutoring. Don't just say something like I teach English or I teach math. That market is flooded. Say something like I prepare students for SAT in Africa, or I coach children or adults for IELTS from 0 to band 7, or even I teach Phoenix for parents who want to coach their children at home. The difference is that you've packaged what you do. It's not what you just teach, it's how you package it. Specialization makes you rare. Rare makes you valuable. Number two, teach what schools don't teach. Parents are begging for this. Financial literacy for kids. I know a particular, teacher who is doing that right now. Critical thinking skills, even soft skills like confidence, public speaking, or leadership. Package it in a way that people haven't done that before. These are not just on the syllabus, but parents know that children need them. If you can design a 6-week program on confidence for teenagers or money skills for elementary kids, you will definitely stand out immediately. Number three, leverage your languages. Do you speak Spanish, French, Igbo, Yoruba, Swahili, whatever? Package that. Many Africans want to learn new languages, and many diasporans, that is Africans in diaspora, want their children to learn their heritage language. You could be the bridge. Imagine a Saturday Spanish for Kids Club in your community, or an online Learn Igbo in 30 days program for parents abroad or for students, children of parents abroad. Imagine that. Number four, sell your creativity, not just your note. You already create worksheets, lesson plans, and activities, but don't just stop there. Turn them into physical products. Phoenix flashcards, storyboards, exam practice booklets, handwriting guides, sell these things locally. You can also do print on demand. You can even partner with bookshops or churches. Digital is powerful, but don't underestimate local demand for physical products that parents can absolutely touch. Yes. Number five, non-teaching side hustles that still benefit from your teaching skills. Think about it. You are already patient, you're organized, and you're a communicator. Use that. Can be an event MC for case studies. You can run after school club, drama, debate, science, experiment, and all that. You can even manage small community programs for students and for children. These are not your typical teacher side hustles, but they grow your brand and they give you income. Number six, build your own platform. Instead of waiting for, an established platform, why would you wait for Cambly to approve you? You can start your own micro school online. You can even start it on Telegram. You could run a daily English boost where parents subscribe monthly and get worksheets, or teachers subscribe and get worksheets, audios and video, lessons. Small payments from maybe 50 parents could really add up fast. Yes. There are many things you can do. Just bring your creativity into it. So hear me. Side hustles are not about copying what everyone else is doing. They're about seeing what only you can package differently. So, stop thinking only extra lessons. Start thinking specialized solution. Stop waiting for platforms to accept you. Start building your own platform. Because the truth is that side hustles that work for teachers are not the ones that you can Google online. They are the ones you create yourself. So bring your creativity into play.